Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost. Come see the car for yourself.